09 Echo. You want us to make a left or a right turn?
Left traffic says a 09 Echo.
Left traffic, 09 Echo.
This is 168 Bravo. You can turn for an early right crosswind.
Block. You want 68 Bravo continuing left traffic?
68 Bravo, yeah, that's fine. Whenever you're ready, you can turn your crosswind.
Bravo's going to keep it in tight for this traffic.
This is 68 Bravo. You are number 2 to the field now, following traffic on a 1.5 mile final Cessna.
All right, just about to join. I need to activate. Well, join on that radial first. Yeah. But you're pretty good on the approach. You briefed everything, Mr. Approach procedure, platform altitude. What's your minimums? What's your minimums on the GPS?
680 feet, but I'll descend to 700.
680. Why is it 680 and not 369?
LPV. I'm not. I don't have the lateral.
I'm not lateral, or you don't have the vertical? I don't have the vertical. No vertical, just lateral. Okay. WAS is vertical.
045 X-ray Republic.
So you're going to LNAV minimums only. You cannot do LPV minimums.
Southwest approved, data below 500.
So LNAV minimum would be
data below 600 total.
680 degrees. That's it.
You're clear to take off on Bravo up there.
Pick up that out of below 600 feet, till advised 45 X-ray, clear to go.
Turkey 2 Alpha Victor, contact ground.
Contact ground, taxi. Help.
All right, I'm almost established on my radial.
Traffic making a left.
This is 68 Bravo. Roger, base your discretion, clear to land.
68 Bravo.
Beautiful job. There's your radial coming right in. There's the radial. You understand the concept on the OBS, and then set that kind of converton. This way you're backing everything up with the GPS. You understand how this works?
Well, I don't know if I'm going to be doing this on the check light. Am I going to have to do this?
No, but this is like to learn your instruments.
No, it's good that you showed it to me.
Absolutely. Okay, so we got the platform, we got the minimums, we got inbound course, we got everything set up. Now we're just good on this. Join it out, and let's load up the approach on the Garmin. Show me how you load up the approach.
Okay.
2409 Echo, Roger, copy, full stop. Number 2 following a Cessna inside a mile time.
Number 2 following a Cessna 09 Echo.
Okay. Plan. See here, select approach. 3, 2, vectors. Activate.
And activate vectors to final. Procedure.
Altitude, your discretion.
Procedure, and then activate vectors to final. Enter.
Now on
Enter.
final, base your discretion, clear to land.
Bam, you're done.
We got that traffic base by discretion clear. 09 Echo.
225 Delta, turn right heading 300, maintain 1,100 to establish on the final approach course. You're clear, GPS approach runway 32 Republic.
Put it at 250.
300, maintain 1,100 until I establish on my final course for the runway 3, GPS runway 32.
04 Bravo, Roger, right downwind, runway 32.
Right downwind.
One thing we forgot on the Garmin, very important.
On the Garmin, yes, it's the localizer.
Alpha.
Ready to go?
There's so much stuff.
A lot going on. You want to become instrument pilot, you don't know what you're waiting for, man.
Not localizer, GPS.
GPS. One button we gotta push. Must push. Hey, you go.
Thank you.
Gotta have GPS green here for GPS approach. My approach course is
We're rolling.
Roger. This is 09 Echo, 1 departure prior to your arrival.
Beautiful.
09 Echo. Tower 38433.
Busy.
With uniform, full stop landing.
All right, I'm
38433
established.
Republic Tower, Roger, right downwind, runway 32.
Flight downwind 38433.
Looks like you're established. You get the ATIS real quick. I'll do your radios. Focus on the approach.
Uniform time 17530. Wind 30011. Gust 14. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear below 13000. Temperature 1 tree. Dew point -2. Altimeter 2980. Approach in use. Land departing runway 32. IFR departures. Advise control taxi that you are IFR. Read back all runway hold short instructions. Read back all runway assignments. Read back all altitude assignments. Advise approach down initial contact. We have information. Uniform.
Uniform, almost straight down the runway. A little gusty, 10 gusts to 16. Visibility.
48 pop on course approved.
48 pop.
Focus on the approach. Center the needle, altitude until established inbound, then descend to your minimums. Public Tower, Turkey 225 Delta, Capture Bridge Uniform, full stop.
Turkey 2225 Delta, Public Tower, straight in runway 32.
Straight in 32, 25 Delta. What's your altitude?
Yeah, we're talking about Charlie November 45 Papa Romeo, number 1 at Alpha 32, ready for standard departure.
Number 45 Papa Romeo, Public Tower, hold short.
Hold short, 45 Papa Romeo.
Alright, I have 2 minutes 17 seconds to go to Alfred, at which time I should be crossing it at 1,400, but I am already at 1,000. So after Alfred, I'll be going down to my minimums. And if I 700 feet, if I see the runway in sight, my minimums are. By the way, this doesn't have how much time. What? How much time it takes.
Why does a GPS approach do not have time? How do you identify missed approach?
Well, my GPS has a DME.
Beautiful. Right. Or missed approach point.
Where's
the missed approach point on a GPS approach?
Approach point is at the threshold.
Yeah, look at that. RW32. You see RW32?
Clip takeoff on 32.
There's your missed approach point. RW32. When you hit RW32 at your minimums, you don't see the runway. Boom, you go missed approach. The GPS is automatically going to depict the missed approach when it's going to go. Now I see is its approach, APR. You see on the bottom left says APR?
Yeah.
It's going to say missed approach. MA. MA is missed approach. So when
right now it's approach.
You're still in approach mode. You're good. Expect to see the runway on this time, okay? It's not going to be missed approach, okay? Expect to see the runway. And expect gusty landing because the wind's gusty at 16.
Hunter 5410 Papa, Public Tower, hold short.
16, but it's right down the runway, or?
Pretty much straight down the runway, a little bit off to the left. 300 at 10 gusty to 16.
Hold a short 32 at Alpha 6 is 1868 Bravo, and we're going to make left. Go traffic.
Just a 160 Bravo, runway 32, Alpha 6 intersection, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, make left traffic, 3 Bravo.
Busy, busy!
Republic Tower, helicopter 7045.
Helicopter 7045, X-ray, Republic Tower.
Yeah, about 5 miles southwest of the field. Altitude, we'll call 1,100. We're back inbound. We'll start at descent, please.
Helicopter 7045, X-ray, roger. Report, actually just head for the Bravo Kilo intersection. Stay west of runway 1 at all times, and the altimeter is 2978.
2978, we'll also drop down to 600 feet.
All right, we are at
the runway 1.
Alfred.
Thank you. Turkey 5410, Papa, you cleared to takeoff, runway 32, full length.
10 Papa, roll on.
Let's take it down to
25 Delta, 4 mile final, 32.
Traffic, capture landing with uniform.
25 Delta, 4 mile final, 32.
Who's at Capture Bridge coming inbound?
Yes, Warrior 8275 Victor.
Warrior 8275 Victor, Public Tower, straight in for runway 32.
Straight in, 3275 Victor.
25 Delta, 3 mile final, runway 32.
Turkey 2225 Delta, Republic Tower, you cleared to land.
Clear to land 32, 2225 Delta. Clear to land. Do not go below minimums. Now, you have beautiful speed, 90 knots. Let go of the controls. Trim nicely, beautiful. Level off is what altitude?
700.
Do not go below.
Papa Romeo, we okay to make a right turn towards Deer Park?
Sign 425 Papa Romeo.
Focus on your
Traffic,
instruments.
2 o'clock, 3 miles.
Needles a little bit to the left,
1,800
tiny
feet coming
correction
down
to the left.
Downwind A,
And expect to see the runway.
Cherokee.
All right, Roger, we'll keep
One more minute, one and a half minutes. 1.5 minutes to miss approach point.
Dawn course approved, keep Cherokee in sight.
Well, I have the runway in sight. Runway's aside, clear to land. Take the goggles, land the plane. Beautiful, excellent, beautiful approach. This is a GPS approach. You will have that on your check ride,
1,700
okay?
feet turning eastbound, a Cessna.
Traffic inside 28423.
Thank you.
I just want to confirm left down departure.
Oh, good back there. Excellent. He's a good boy. Look at that. Alert. Traffic 500.6. Maybe he's on the base. Let's look right.
Trinidad 2504 Bravo, continue
Anybody
downwind
cutting us
number 2, following
Nobody cutting off.
Cherokee
All right,
traffic
look.
mile final.
Bullet farm, 0 for Bravo. All right, 0 for Bravo, we have traffic off our right wing now.
04 Bravo, number 2 to the field, clear to land, runway 32.
All right, number 2 to land, 0 for Bravo.
Republic Tower Terminal Stage 44, 5,000 feet over Northport Stacks, inbound for landing runway 32 with information uniform.
State 44 Republic Tower, roger, right down, runway 32.
Right down runway 32, Terminal Stage 44. Right down, 45 X-ray, we're just over by checkpoint 32.
Helicopter 7045 X-ray, roger, traffic just off your left side. 11 o'clock and about a half mile coming in left down 1,100 and climbing Cherokee.
Traffic inside, we'll maintain visual separation, 45 X-ray.
Helicopter 7045
Like full
X-ray,
flaps,
clear to land,
huh?
Bravo
Yes.
Kilo. Wind 320.
I don't know why.
Gust 16,
Okay.
stay south of 32.
Just wondering.
Copy that, we'll stay south and west of 32 at all times.
Kind of touch down slower, you know.
Negative, sir. Would you like some numbers of runway 1?
No, I can take, no, we should be high 45.
Very nice landing.
45 X-ray, roger.
68 Bravo is
That's all right on Delta 1. That's okay.
Thank you.
Get off the runway, Delta 1's.
And 68 Bravo, you can follow the Trinidad, you clear to land.
Alright, clear land, Trinidad, Mercury 68 Bravo.
Turkey 2225 Delta, pass the hold, short line and contact ground.
Contact ground, 2225 Delta, good day.
Ground's up. Clear right, clear left.
That's our Empire, helicopter 65605.
Alright, let's talk to ground before we move this bird.
And ground, Cherokee 2225 Delta, off active, Delta 1 side, going to shelter.
Cherokee 2225 Delta, Republic ground, taxi via Delta, right turn runway 19.
Delta 19.
Delta 192225 Delta.
Delta Charlie, hold short of Delta, opposite
A
direction
lot of
Cherokee.
deltas, huh?
Delta Charlie, holding.
Oh, you got somebody else
Delta 2 Delta Charlie.
coming, so expedite so you can. He told the other guy to hold short of Delta for us, so you're first.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. He just popped. You see the windsock?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's the guy holding for you, yeah.
Unless you let him cross while we
No, he's not going to let him. No, he's going to want you off this taxiway so he can go on this taxiway. Because he's going this direction, opposite direction.
That's what I'm saying. He could have let him cross and
He's
continue.
not going to cross an active runway. Nah, doubt it. He's just going to wait.
Cessna 605, you have the yellow Robinson in sight?
He is going to wait.
No, we do not. 605.
We were lucky to be on this taxiway before him, and it's called first come, first serve.
605.
Alright, advise when you have him in sight, he's entering the taxi lane.
Republic ground, Arrow 5860 Victor, Nassau Flyers, Texas uniform.
Arrow 586 Victor, Republic ground, taxi runway 32 via Golf Delta.
Runway 32 via Golf Delta.
You good back there, buddy? All right, man. You got a good boy. That's your oldest?
Yeah, we're right next to town. We got the yellow helicopter inside. We'll
What happened? Did he call us?
Taxi runway 32 via
He
cross
didn't call us. You just go straight and make a right on 19.
Cross runway 1 to approach and taxi via Golf
He
Delta 36.
clear me to 19?
Delta Charlie, you have Cherokee from
He
left to
said
right.
straight on Delta and right on 19.
have Cherokee.
Behind Cherokee, taxi left Delta.
Clear left.
Charlie behind Cherokee.
Clear right.
Taxi Delta to 32.
25 Delta, you're going to make a right turn on 19, back taxi 19 to parking.
Right on 19 and back taxi to parking 25 Delta.
Right on 19, back taxi parking. All right, clear right. Runway's clear.
Republic ground, Trinidad 2504 Bravo, Alpha 4.
Trinidad? Trinidad. What's that? That's
Bravo, Republic ground,
like a single engine, small, like a Piper, similar.
Cross 1 to Echo 2504 Bravo.
That's called Trinidad, huh? Trinidad. It's not a very popular airplane. Very not
Republic ground,
popular.
Piper Cherokee 302 Victor, back with you.
You got the most popular one.
Uniform request to write down.
Not really. 172, I think. You think he'll let me go straight into the ramp? That's it, man. We'll make it right here. No, straight to the ramp. You got the whole way.
32, and you said a right downwind?
Affirmative. I have the Cessna coming out and right downwind 302 Alpha to Wolf Hollow Cessna.
2 Alpha Victor, cross 1 at the approach end.
Cross 1 approach end, 2 Alpha.
You love this, huh? Buy it. It's money well spent. I can tell you, I swear by this machine. Absolutely swear by it. You know, we're flying down in the Carolinas.
68 Bravo ground taxi,
And
right
there's
Alpha
blank,
cross 1.
no traffic.
Alpha cross 1.
Out of a sudden, we pick up a C-130. Watch this guy, let him go first. This rings, traffic, advisory. And you see it's getting closer, 5 miles, 4 miles, 3 miles, 600 feet above us. Then out of a sudden, you know, we're flying along, no transponder, nothing. You know, it's just like, you know, class golf, whatever. Then he was coming in to land in the Air Force Base. Clear right.
So you saw him right above you?
He was above us, yeah. And we're coming in,
Republic ground.
he was coming in for landing and we saw the traffic above us.
Ready to taxi with the uniform.
Cessna 1158 Victor, Republic ground, taxi runway 32 via Golf Delta.
Taxi runway 32 via Golf Delta, 1158 Victor.
I can see a hell of a progress. What do you think?
Yeah, felt
Really good today. Very nice job. Excellent work. All right. Gonna take a while before they fix that Cessna over there. Look at that. Major damage. Wow.